Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a two command is very important. First is hooper and second is rolled wall. Okay, and guys, CATIA lecture 83 is discussed here, and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, and guys, CATIA sheet metal 3D commands is two important commands, hooper and rolled wall easy discuss here. Okay, today learn easily discuss here, and at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software. All command is not active, and at first some use a wireframe and surface design. Okay, and guys, hooper, what is hooper and why hooper is used in CATIA. Okay, guys, hooper use a multi-section. Okay, multi-section surface, and a hooper hooper a section, a lot of section, and more than one section. Okay, or 3D drawing a generate here, a section is more than one, yeah, section is a lot of. Okay, okay, drawing here, and use a plane. Okay, and other plane is hide, because design is a easily learn here, and at first generate a plane. Okay, plane is a some distance is 72 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and this create a rectangle, center rectangle. Okay, okay, this is a center rectangle is create here, and mention any dimension is a, okay, this is a perfect, this is a 30. Okay, okay, this 30, length is 30 and height is a 20. Okay, correct, 25 is better. Okay, and okay, and corner is a drawing here, a corner is a 6. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, perfect, and exit, and other. Okay, this sketch again center rectangle. Okay, draw a center rectangle. Okay, this is mention dimension, or dimension is a, this is 42. Okay, 42 is 50, correct, and this is a 42. Okay, correct, and corner. Okay, this is a corner is a 7. Okay, perfect. Okay, okay guys, and use a multi-section surface, and then at first section, and this is a second. Okay, and direction is a same, arrow is a same, not arrow is same because not generated a multi-section use. Okay, and at first use a coupling is a vertex, and this is a right click. Okay, and add. Okay, this is a perfect. Section number coupling point is create here and be exact direction. Okay, first point, and this is a this. Okay, correct, and this is a this point is a this. Okay, same point matching here. Okay, this is a perfect, this point and this point and this point, okay, and again this point and this point, okay, this point and this point, again this point and this point, okay. All is coupling is 8 point is added here, okay. Preview is showing here, and okay, this is a perfect. And use a okay mechanical design and a generative sheet metal design, okay. Click here, and all command is not active at first unless we are not click sheet metal parameters, then other command is not activated, okay. At first click a sheet metal parameters, and then okay, and then all commands is activated, and this is a hooper. Click a hooper command, and hooper command is a hooper command definition dialog box is pop up, and this is a two type. First is a canonic hooper, and this is a second is Surfacic hooper, okay. Both is one by one is discussed here. At first Surfacic hooper is discussed here, okay. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a okay, this is a perfect selection, okay. This surface is selection, okay guys. This section is more than one section, and because this section is more than one, okay. This face is select here, and invert material side, okay. This is a invert, and this is a invert material side, okay. This is a outside, and okay, this is a perfect preview is showing here, and this is a okay. This body is a multi-section draw here. This is a perfect, okay. Multi-section use here. This is a one section, two section, three section. Multi-section is use, multi-section is divide, and then hooper command is very important, and use a multi-section like here, okay. And then okay, this is a multi-section is hide, then all body is hooper, okay. This is a perfect, and this body is a this plane is hide, and this plane is also hide, because this plane is also hide, this plane is also hide, okay. This is a perfect, and material is used, okay. At first drawing this material is used, metal is a sheet metal command is okay. This is a perfect, okay. Double click here, and reflexivity is a more, and okay, this is a perfect, okay. This is a perfect, okay. This is a apply here, okay guys. Very okay. This is a perfect, and isometric view is okay. This is a zoom here, okay. This is a perfect, body is a drawing here a perfect, okay. This is a correct, okay. Zoom out, this is a perfect, okay. Guys, next lecture is coming soon. Hooper command is other, canonic hooper is next lecture is coming soon. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.